Hello and welcome back to my another tutorial. In this tutorial, I'm going to share with you how to remove Microsoft Team Chat in your Windows 11. So let's take a look how to do that. You might be recently brought this Windows 11 PC, or you might be upgrade from Windows 10 to 11, and you are looking for how to remove this Microsoft Teams chat from your Windows 11. It's really very easy and simple. In order to do that, you need to click in your Windows 11 PC start menu. After click over that, you need to click here settings. After click over settings in the left side, you're going to find the screen appear just like this. From here, you need to click apps section. After click over apps section, right side, you're going to find here apps and features. After click over apps and features, you're going to see here search apps. We're going to type here TEAMS and we're going to find here Teams. We're going to see there is a two Teams. One is Microsoft Teams, which is consumer version, and another is Microsoft Teams, which is a corporate version. We're going to uninstall this Microsoft Teams. From here, just click over this three dot and click here uninstall, and then you're going to see another warning message. These apps and its related information will be uninstall. So we're going to click here uninstall, and then we're going to see Microsoft Teams going to be uninstall. After that, if we close it, we're going to see is still Microsoft Team Chat icon is appeared there. One thing's more, after uninstall Microsoft Teams, and after that, if you try to click or open this icon, you're going to see again Microsoft Teams going to be reinstalled in your Windows 11. So for that, what we need to do, we're going to remove this icon from text bar. So what you have to do, you have to just right click over in this text bar and then click here text bar settings. After click over text bar setting, you're going to find here chat. Just simply turn this off, and then you're going to see now completely this chat has removed from my text bar. So in this way, you can easily remove Microsoft Team Chat in your Windows 11 PC. So that's for now. Thanks for watching my video. See you next one. Peace.